my babies, I haven't seen you guys in so long. I missed you, so I decided to film this makeup tutorial for you guys today. It's pretty simple. It's like date nighty, you know, romantic, you know, dreamy eyes and all these things. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching. I went step by step what I done, and yeah, it's just really nice. This will look great on any skin tone, you guys, so it's really universal. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, you guys share this video. Boo, I'm back and I'm better, honey. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking my strobe cream by MAC. This is in Pink Light. It's the original one. I'm just going to put that all over my skin just to moisturize. Next I'm going to be adding MAC's Natural Radiance primer, and this is in the pink. That's how your makeup lasts all day. What I love with this primer as well, it's really hydrating, but at the same time it controls your oils as well. So today for foundation I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix, and this is in the shade NW45. I'm taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. So now I'm going to go in with the Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. And this is in the shade NC45. Just using this to highlight underneath my eye. To brighten my under eye some more, I'm just going to use the MAC Water Weight Concealer. But this one is going to be in NC42. Just to brighten my under eyes just a little bit more. So now we're going to do some contouring, and I'm going to take Black Opal's Suede Mocha. This is their foundation stick. I'm just going to take this Real Techniques brush to, you know, apply it because this is running out. So a little bit above my forehead. I'm also going to put some down my nose. So now I'm going to take the Rihanna one, and this is in Espresso. This is a match stick. So I'm just going to deepen my contour just a little bit more and use the same brush to blend that out. So now I'm going to be taking some Ben Nye Banana powder. I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes and wherever I put the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Dark Deep. I'm just going to use that to give myself a little bit of a bronze. So now I'm going to take another mineralized powder, and I'm going to use the shade Dark to do all over my face. So just use it to dust away the powder you have underneath your eyes as well. Now I'm going to tackle the eyes, and I'm just going to be using MAC's Eyelid Primer. So it's called, I think it's called Eye Base. So I'm just going to blend that over the lid with my fingers. Make sure you get it on really smooth, because it dries down to a matte. Next, I'm going to be taking MAC's Swiss Chocolate. So it's this brown shade right here. I'm just going to blend that above my crease just a little bit, and a little bit in my crease as well. Just making sure you go above. So I'm going to go in with another shade, and it's this purpley shade right here, and this is called Deep Dancing. And it's by MAC as well. So I'm just going to dab it in. And just going to apply it to the corner, blending it upwards into my crease. I'm going to switch my brush as well, and I'm going to be using 217 by MAC with the same shadow, Deep Dancing. I'm going to sweep that into my crease using the window wiper motion. I'm going to take MAC's 224 blending brush, and I'm going to go back in with Swiss Chocolate. I'm just going to blend out the edges of the Deep Dancing, and I'm going to deepen the Deep Dancing again at the edges. So next I'm going to mix a bit of Lane Low Paint Pot. So it's just this one. Just scoop a bit off like that, put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to be using some of my Pro Longwear Concealer as well in NC45. A little bit. I'm going to mix the two together. Then I'm going to take that mixture and cut my crease. So now I'm going to go in with MAC's Sketch, and it's this purple right here. And I'm just going to deepen the outer side and just stipple it into the shadow, into the concealer mix. Just so it gives like a little blending effect without doing too much. Then I'm going to go in with Honey Lust. I'm just going to pat that onto the lid. Going back in with Sketch again. I'm just going to go back over that, so there's not like a harsh line from where the dark shadow goes and the light ones. Just blend that right in there. Then I'm going to go back in with the first dark shade that I went in with, this one. And I think I'm going to go with the 217 brush. I'm just going to deepen it even further. I'm just keeping this one on the outer side. So next I'm going to pop on a bit of a winged liner, and then I'm going to go in with MAC's Liquid Last liner and the 266 angled brush. So now I'm going to go in with MAC's Smolder liner, and it's just a black liner. I'm going to apply it to my waterline. And I'm going to be using this 210, is it 210? I think it's 210 or 219 brush from MAC. It's just this one right here. I'm going to take the Deep Damson shadow, and I'm just going to blend that black out just to give it a little bit of a smoky look. Now I'm just going to go in with MAC's Extra Dimension mascara, and this one's in the really black shade. So while my lashes dry, I'm just going to apply some of the Studio Water Weight powder, but this one, you guys, is in Light Plus, so it's a really, really light, but I love when my under eye is like super bright. So I'm just going to apply a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the dark again to sort of diffuse that. I'm going to go in with some number 6 lashes from MAC, if I can find my tweezer, honey. So for blush, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Raisin and this 129 brush. So I'm just going to spray my face with MAC's Fix Plus, and this is the original flavour. So for highlighter, I'm just going to go in with MAC's Oh Darling. So it's this one right here. I'm just going to use a Smashbox crease brush to apply that. I'm going to also go in with a little bit of Gold Deposit. So for the lips, I'm going to go with MAC's Plum Liner and just outline our lips. Then I'm going to go in with my favourite lipstick ever, and it is MAC's Taupe. So you can leave it like this, matte, or you can add a gloss on top. I am going to add a gloss on top because I do love a pout. So yeah. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking the MAC Cream Sheen Gloss, and I'm going to add it on. And this is in the shade Delight. Okay, this is what it looks like. You guys, when I tell you this lip gloss is just the bomb. It's just everything. So yeah, this is the finished look.
These birds copy every word, every inch, but gang got the hammer and the wrench.